What are the top products to sell on Amazon 2020 that everyone is ordering right now? Check out the top selling products on Amazon from beauty to tech and everything in between. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top products to sell on Amazon this year. I'm going to share the latest with you so that you can be up to date on the best products to sell. This is going to be a good one, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube, and if you are coming back, then welcome back family. I am Sania here, and my channel is all about Amazon sellers who want to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon and replace their 9-to-5 income forever. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the top products to sell on Amazon. There are multiple millions of products on Amazon, so it's not easy to take out the best ones. But I researched and found out these are going to be the amazing product niches to sell. And remember guys, these product niches have a lot of complementary and supplementary categories, like different types of products that you could sell. Real quick guys, if you want free access to my free latest 5-step guide to start your Amazon FBA journey, then go to saniabillofficial.com. I will also leave the link in the description down below. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment below about the product you like the most. The point of this video is to show you guys the best Amazon FBA products that I think are going to be very hot this year, and you can get the wheels turning in your brain from a product research perspective. I choose the products which have a huge requirement from our daily life, and most of them are also eco-friendly, which is very famous nowadays. So stay tuned till the end, as this video will spill really good nugget products. But guys, the point is to always differentiate yourself and don't just copy. I make these types of videos to let you know what kind of products are in high demand and what you can do to differentiate it. You can compete in any of these niches as long as you have an effective launch strategy with proper listing and PPC optimization. If you do that, then you can create a real winner for sure. So without further delay, guys, let's get to it. I'm going to share 11 top products that you can sell on Amazon. I'm not going to go deep in the statistics and sales of these products. I will research. I always do the research of the products using the two tools, and that is Viral Launch and Jungle Scout. And for my YouTube family here, I have placed heavy discounted links for these tools in the description down below. So do go and download from there, as it will save you a lot of money. If you want me to go deeper on explaining more of the technical factors and research, then do comment below and let me know. I will surely make a video on that. I made a detailed video on how you can research Amazon products and find winning products with a unique method in my video here. So do go and check this video here after this video. I will also link in the description down below. So make sure to check it out. Guys, before we get into the top products, let's talk about what actually makes a profitable product to sell on Amazon. The number one thing that you need to be aware of is how many reviews the average product has in that product niche on page 1. So when you are looking for your own products to sell on Amazon, it is important that they have a very low reviews, and not just for a single product but for the overall category or niche. It could be below 100 in order to be for you to compete. So Amazon has plenty of categories to choose, especially when you are a beginner. However, there are some categories that you do want to stay away from, and make sure that you don't sell products in those categories. Either it is too competitive or they are gated or trademarked. So stay away from that. The first top product that we are going to talk about is the weighted blanket. Gravity blankets are the latest craze that is helping people relax, distress, and get better sleep. And don't think it's just a cheap knockoff. It got less reviews and they have a 4.5-star rating. So there is a chance to improve this product. Also, it comes in different sizes, weights, and colors. The top product number 2 is reusable food bags. It is dedicated to bringing your lunch to work or wrapping up leftovers. People like most of us go through a lot of plastic bags, and even in my office, I see a lot of people still using unhygienic plastic bags, which are bad for your health as well as for our beloved earth. So many customers need them to quickly realize the eco-friendly benefits as well as how well it is to pack their daily snacks. On number 3, we have a wine freeze cooling cup. Is there anything worse than a warm wine? Probably no, but for those hot summer days where you want to stay cool and tipsy, this cup will keep your wine chilled. Since red wine is typically enjoyed at room temperature, you might just want to pop the cup in the fridge. However, to get those white wines really cold, but the cup in the freezer for a couple of hours. This is a cool product with a lot of benefits, also less competition and more profit margin. So go check it out. Next on number 4, we have space-saving hanger closet organization. There comes a point when the online shopping has gotten to the point where your clothes are like don't have any spaces left in your closet. You can give yourself more room in the closet organization for the hangers. It allows you to hang your clothes vertically and not taking more than your space. So it will give you an excuse to buy more clothes for your customers. Very handy and useful product. I have used 3 of them in my home. Definitely, I believe this is a great product. When I researched this product on Amazon, a very good number, which makes this product really worth trying, and you should try that too because I researched it and found it very, very profitable. On number 5, my favorite product is Canadol. It is an award-winning solo game that has hundreds of possible combinations. It's perfect for developing problem-solving and strategic thinking skills among kids. So this product is famous among kids as well as kids, I think. I like it. It has a lot of demand with low competition. However, you can bundle it and increase the price for sure. On number 6, it's wool dryer balls. These New Zealand wool dryer balls naturally soften your laundry and shorten the drying time. They will even reduce wrinkles, length and pet hair. So again, useful product. In fact, I gifted this to my sister as she is very lazy to do the ironing. This reduces stuff by 70%. So again, it's a useful product and at the same time very profitable and it's cheap to source. So you can imagine the profit margin. Next, we have a product in the baby category, and that is baby nestle aspirator. If you are not a parent, this might leave you scratching your head. If you have ever have a baby, then this is a stuffing nose. You're probably thinking, why did I think of that? The stuffy nose is like perdition and it's very nice and very, very affordable. BPA free, and you can also use that product to modify it and make it more valuable and bundle it together with more items. On number 8, we have Inflatable Dinosaur. This is a very trending product on Amazon for a while now. In fact, I was in a mall in Malaysia 1 year ago and I saw this giant dinosaur walking towards me. For a moment, I was still in my position and my eyes were wide open to see a live creature in front of me. All the kids around me, including adults, were clapping and watching and jumping and they were so excited. I still remember that I kept on looking for almost 10 minutes. If you have ever seen it, you can totally relate to that because it's very cool to watch these kind of things and most of all, kids love it. Now there are many sellers coming for this, but I found out that the product has not a lot of potential, but the quality is not good. Therefore, you have to work on the quality and make it a very valuable and expensive product. Number 9, we have waterproof mattress protector. If you are prone to seasonal allergies, you have probably already tried every medication out there to find a solution. Well, on Amazon, customers are buying this mattress protector like crazy with an average of 4.5 stars for helping them to live a healthy, allergy-free life. So I can see a lot of potential to sell this product to get 5-star reviews and modify it for more and more reviews. Guys, on number 10, we have hair chalk. Clearly, parents approve of this hair chalk. You can apply it to a dry hair and it washes out easily with shampoo. Kids love this product, and so less sellers are selling it with less reviews and more demand. On number 11, it's Kitten's Card Game. It got 4.4 reviews on Amazon. It's a favorite product for a lot of cat lovers. So it clearly creates a lot of demand, but seller does not have a quality product. You can bundle it with other toys, or you can see the frequently bought together items to see what products are selling with this. So it can be a really good product. If you have been thinking about starting an Amazon FBA business, then now is the perfect time, because Amazon is getting bigger every year with more and more profitable niches and products. Guys, these are the top products to sell on Amazon that I just talked about, but don't directly copy these. These are regular everyday products that sell on Amazon very well, and not many sellers consider them. Get ideas from it and then sell it after modifying it and bundling it. Look at the complementary products, or use your own creativity and your own experience to find products similar to that aren't exactly the same, like I told you. If you did enjoy this video and if you learned something new, then make sure to tap the little subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you will be the first person to be notified when I release a brand new Amazon FBA video. Also, don't forget to watch my next video here.